You can see right on the dashboard, you can see your order summary, which will list out how many orders are awaiting approval, how many are approved or in progress, how many are currently recurring, and how many have been completed in the last 30 days. To view more information about your orders, you can go to Customer Info and Orders. You can also click on the links right here within the widget as well. From your orders list, I can gain a lot of information without clicking into each individual order. For example, I can see the status, the order date, the approved date, the target date, any tasks that are related to them by clicking on a hyperlink, the order total, and I also have the option to set the order up on autopay. I can click on the link to view more information about the order. As you can see from here, I can see any attachments that are available, the order information, any notes that have been added, as well as the items that have been associated to the order. My payment schedule and terms and conditions are listed below the items, and then I can approve the order. All I need to do is hit approve. Now the appropriate people will be notified that you've approved the order.